Magento drives global commerce for Europe's leading brands. Our job is to manage key aspects of their business so that they can focus on growth. Since we have complete visibility of the back office, we can see the business end to end. One key problem we solve for them entirely is online fraud. Brands like Dyson, Helly Hansen and iRobot lead their industries with innovation and consistently high-quality products. For years we've provided protection and taken liability for chargebacks.
Managing fraud in Europe is different. We have a lot of countries with different privacy laws. For example, Google Maps data for Germany will blur images of properties, but property data for Denmark is highly accurate. So when you can't find someone, it might raise a question. And if you're good at identifying fraud in the UK, that doesn't mean you can catch fraudsters in France. Sometimes we're dealing with very thin datasets and consumers with very limited digital footprints. But even though the data is limited, we need to approve the order. And we need to approve orders fast. Merchants with express delivery may need to ship their orders by 11 AM. Signified allows us to accept more orders for our merchants, without fraud losses. With real-time machine learning, Signified can determine patterns in milliseconds to accept genuine orders and reject fraudulent ones. We get complete transparency from Signified, so we know every detail about every order our merchants are shipping around the world. They have a global database of merchants and partnerships with the world's leading data providers. As the world's largest provider of guaranteed fraud protection, Signified provides a 100% financial guarantee against fraud and chargebacks. This gives our merchants the confidence to acquire new customers and drive growth in new markets.
The holiday season is a peak period for us, and our merchants saw twice as much volume this year. But we needed to approve orders in half as much time. Signified allowed us to correctly accept more orders and ship them out on time. Our job is to protect our merchants, and we trust Signified. Together we drive global growth for Europe's leading brands.